Hello there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this animated template in Canva in just 5 minutes. So let's start, but first make sure to hit the bell icon and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. So what you have to do is first of all open up a blank template in Canva. I'm going to go for a presentation. Next what you have to do is change the background fill to a gradient fill. And I'm going to go with the purple and 2 shades of purple. And then what we're going to do is insert an image of a cupcake. And we're going to give it a shadow outline. Then we're going to insert a text box. And then we're going to give it a shadow to the text. And then we're going to give it animation of the baseline. Then what we're gonna do is just give it this side. We're gonna give it a fill of white. Then what we're gonna do is go for animations. Then we're gonna go for layers, and we're gonna send this sticker to the back of the cupcake and the text box. Then we're going to duplicate our slide and put another cupcake onto the top right here. We're going to give it a shadow of drop. And this is how our template looks right now. Then we're going to duplicate it again. And for the cupcake, we're gonna put it right here. Insert 3 cupcakes, and we're gonna put them side by side. Make the middle one bigger and the side one smaller. Put the side ones onto the back and the bigger one onto the front. And then we're gonna insert some kind of stickers onto the template. We're gonna go for layers and send them to the back. Then we're gonna insert text box. We're going to give it a shadow to the text. like this. What we're gonna do is give it animations. Next, what we're gonna do is go to transitions for these pages. And so yeah, after giving animations, what we are gonna do is just give them all of these animations. So yeah, this is the final result of what we made in this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel.